Hello and welcome to Vigilante Bespoke's 2-minute guide on wireless security. There's a huge amount of software now available to detect and crack into wireless networks. Here we can see a tool called Kismac. It's detected all the wireless networks within range, and then we have options to go in and try and break into those networks. With this tool and a little bit of knowledge, someone could get into your badly configured wireless network in a few minutes. So let's run through some simple steps on how we can configure your home wireless access point or router for security. All modern network equipment will have a web interface for configuration. Instructions on how to connect to this should be available in your user guide. The first step when setting up any kind of computer equipment is to remove the default passwords and set a strong administrative password. This should stop attackers being able to connect and alter the device configuration. The next step is to choose what kind of wireless encryption is required. Generally, modern wireless routers will offer no encryption, WEP, WPA and WPA2. Currently, WPA2 is considered secure. So the first thing we're going to do when configuring our wireless network is set the network name, or SSID. It should be obscure and not identify your house or your family name. The next thing we're going to do is set up our wireless encryption. As previously mentioned, this should be WPA2 with a nice, secure, long password. Choosing a secure wireless password is important. The usual suspects are things like sports teams, pets or children's names. These can potentially easily be guessed. Passwords should be a minimum of 8 characters with uppercase, lowercase, numbers and special characters such as $signs. Using something like a pet's name is fine, but it should be altered to contain a mixture of characters that can't be guessed, as shown in our example. Configuring wireless clients, such as laptops or mobile phones. Every time you access a wireless network, your client stores the details of that network and will poll for it from then on. Hackers have tools that can mimic those wireless networks and get your computer to connect to their equipment. On a regular basis, you should go through and remove these old wireless networks so your computer no longer looks for them. We hope you found that useful. If you've got any questions, please contact us at enquiries@vigilantebespoke.com or our Facebook page.